Greetings, everyone. Greetings. Um, so first of all, I want to talk about radios that I've collected in the past. So I'm talking about DCS encryption, which is also known as digital code scratch, but formerly known as data center security encryption. All right. So a lot of these people, and I'm going to correct this for today only. Um, and so whatever I say, I want people to take very seriously, and I want people to take this information as innocent as possible. So what is DCS, which is known as data security encryption, or formerly known as data center security encryption? What is it? It's a form of encryption that is practically unbreakable. You have to know the actual code to get into it and to decode the signal and to communicate and eavesdrop and hear the communication. Or in simple terms, you need to know the actual data center security encryption code in order to actually decode and listen to communication and talk all at the same time. Um, so I love my midland radios. As you guys know, I also have myself new radios that are light here. These are Midland. These are the Midland. I don't know if I can get it straight here. These are the Midland XC 600 VP4 radios. So very nice radios, very nice box. So, so you may ask me, where am I going with this, folks? Well, a lot of people have been saying that DCS is just our privacy gate to keep other people from bothering you. No. No. People, I want you to understand this. I am not talking like not Rubicon. I'm talking in simple radio facts because, like I said, I've been in the radio hobby for a lot of years. I can't really tell you how many years I've been in the radio hobby, but what I will tell you is I've been in it for a long time. So stay with me. This is the video for you people. What I will say is that radios like this, or the one I just showed you in the box, and that new Midland radio, which is the LXT 600 VP4 LXT 600 VP4 radio model. Both this radio and that radio are totally encrypted. Okay, if I so choose, I can turn on DCS encryption anytime and decrypt at any time and fully turn it off or fully turn it on if I want. I leave it on if I want or turn it off if I want. Okay. This radio, which is called the Motorola, if you can see it here, it's the Motorola XPR 6380 radio. This is a very nice radio, people. I've probably made a couple videos on how this sounds, so I'm going to fire this up real quick and let you hear it, and then I'm going to talk to you in more details about why this one is really special to me and why no one can get into this or my bid then, and we'll just go by detail. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay. So most radios have what they call a water beep. Okay. A water beep is basically lets the other user know when you're finished talking so they can end up talking back to you after you dekey your PTT button, which is also known as push to talk button. This push to talk button that you see right here that I'm holding on right now, if I can get a good picture of it. Well, let me get a good picture of it. This one right there. This is a special button. Okay. People are gonna ask me, why is it special? Well, you're gonna hear in a minute. Ready? We're gonna do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Okay. People are asking me, what is that sound? Why am I hearing that sound? Well, this sound that you're hearing is actually what they call encryption. It is what they're telling you is basically when you hit the push to pop button, You're letting anyone know on the channel that you are now going to talk. It's called TPT, Talk Permit Tone Hack. Okay. So every time I press this push to talk button, what I'm doing is it's asking the control channel, this is a ham radio. A lot of people don't know this, but this is a GMRS ham radio, which is what my rhythm radios that I just showed you on the box are. It's allowing me to know when it's okay to talk. Not all radios have a TPT hack talk permit tone, which is formerly known as the permission channel talk. Okay, so the permission talk channel is basically when you do this, it's telling me it's okay to talk. If somebody's on the channel, it's going to go, I'm going to pretend like I'm hitting it. It's going to go doot, which means already somebody's on the channel. I need to wait my turn. Okay. Water beep, on the other hand, what it does is basically, it doesn't do that. Basically, what it does is it's similar in what it does. So TPT and water beep almost do the same thing, but reverse. TPT, which is talk per mid-tone, lets you know when it's okay to talk on the channel, and water beep lets the user know when you're done talking so they can talk back to you after you D-key or push the talk button. Okay? So this is what this does. Or this is what this one does. The talk per mid-tone lets you know when it's okay to talk on the channel. So, why is many radios have that? The newer version of GMRS radios is because they want people to understand that DCS encryption, which is called data security encryption, is very, I'm telling you this for everyone, it's very, very, very hard to crack. And it's not a PL tone, it's not a tone, and it's not a privacy tone. It is what they call data security encryption, and it's called a code. So AVDS DCS code on my minimeters, you've probably seen them way back in my other video that I made about my new minimeters that you can go and check up here, check right there. Basically, every time I turn on DCS on my Molo radio or my Midland radio, no one can hear me. I'm going to make this clear one more time. No one can hear me. You have to have the same data center security code in order to hear me and decode my transmission. That's it. If you don't know that, you're not getting in. And that's today's video, guys. If you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm giving you real radio to a radio ham radio information, and you can take it or you can do whatever. But I don't sugarcoat things and I keep things civil. So, okay, guys, have a fabulous weekend. If I have not told anyone yet, and stay tuned. And because I'm uploading new videos on my new videos every 2 to 3 weeks when I'm available and when I have free time, and see you on the next one.